$6, baby. Let's hop right into it. Yo! What is good, Crackalacking family? We on the grind today. Today we got a 6 cents Elite unboxing from 6 cents Fishing themselves. We got the Super 6 sack. I think this is March. Gonna be doing an unboxing on this bad boy today. And it's about 9 to 10 baits. Let's get the unboxing. But before we do that, follow my socials underneath me. And if you guys like the video, hit these 2 like buttons right here. And also, if you ever want to unsubscribe from my channel, you can always do that. And always remember, subscribing is for free. No more talking, let's really get into it now. The hand is going in the box. Ooh, we got some Hog Walla 5.8s from 6 cents. Basically, these are like long dad crawls, I guess. Here's what that thing is looking like. Curly tail arms, probably like a 3-inch body. Has a little 4 extra right here. I would use this for pitching and flipping. And also the color on it here is watermelon candy. Not much stretch into it, but it has a pretty good stretch. Comes with 10 in a pack. It's all soft plastic. Next bait. Ooh, we got another soft plastic. We got the Cloud 5.4s. Comes with 10. The color Meltdown. Let me give you guys a close up what that thing looks like. Now, the first thing I notice about this bait is as the worm starts to decrease, the size of the worm starts to decrease, which means it has a finesse tail, which means it has a lot of action on it compared to if I was to do this. Not much action. Not even moving it. It's moving by itself. A lot of action, so I like that detail from 6 cents. I guess it's supposed to be like a some type of Texas rig. This is your average Cinco, I should say. Your average Cinco. But to me, this is not your average Cinco. 2 sides shaded. Green. Pink. Again, this is the color Meltdown. But some things about to get down. Next bait. Woo! We got the Crush 50 Silent. 3/8 ounce, 60 millimeters long, and it has 2 to 5 feet. This is the color Chartreuse Black Back. Alright. Like the eye details on this thing, has like a red eye with the chartreuse body with the black back. It's a square bill. So it's a silent square bill. Like the little pattern on it. Pretty sauce crankbait. Actually a nice square bill if you ask me. Next bait. Oh, I got someone. You know, they do call me OBJ. Alright, let me start with the jokes. We got the Crush Mini 25 MD from 6 cents. This is 50 millimeters. One weighs 1/4 of an ounce, sorry. And it dives 4 to 7 feet. Has a long square bill on it. Like the little details on it. The color of this is called Chrome Shiner. Also, guys, if you did not know, that silver reflects against the sun, and anything against that sun that's reflecting against that silver shows everything in the water. So if you guys are looking for a natural water, like really natural water, go with your silvers in this situation. Pretty good crankbait. Got 2 crankbaits down. loving that from 6 cents, but the next one is coming, hopefully. Did you not see what I just pulled out this pack? We have a 6 cents Vega frog. A Vega frog. Let me say it again. A Vega frog. All black. Man, these things went out so long, man. So glad that they came in my package today, man. Can't wait to use this bait, man. These 6 cent frogs, man. Heard they been going crazy. They been going crazy. Like the little eye details on that thing, man. Again, Vega frog 50. Pretty sauce baits for the next bait. Whew. Right when I say can we get another crankbait, we got your boy Curve Finesse Square Bill. Look at this flat side crankbaited, man. Look at this drum right here, man. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. This is the color, a crawfish nook. I mean, it does look like a crawfish. That's where they got the name from, I guess. This dives 1 to 3 feet. Yep. This dives 1 to 3 feet, weighs 3/8 of an ounce, and is 50 millimeters long. Next bait, or should I say, last bait. We got the net fries. Excellent bait. I love this bait. Net rig it, Texas rig this, catches fish, man. This thing right here will catch you fish. If you don't know where those bass are eating, throwing this, or this bad boy right here, the Clout, and also this is a net fry 4.6, but throwing any of those baits is so excellent, or it's too grassy. These are your two key baits from 6 cents that you want to go to, the Clouds and the net fries. Comes with 10. The sizes of these joints are 4.6, and also the size of these joints are 5.4. But pretty sauce bait. The color of this is called Gale Dust. Not much stretch, but I like the colors on it, the little flicks and everything, but not much stretch, not at all. Feels rubbery. It has little threads to it. I don't know if you guys can see it has little threads to it. But yeah, excellent bait. And also, if you guys are looking for a bag that you want to come with your tackle box, if you guys buy a 6 cents monthly bag, it comes with the bag with all your baits inside, and you can reuse this bait bag. Oh wait, that ain't our last bait. We got one more. We got some trout wide gap hooks from 6 cents. It comes with 5 in there. There's some 3/0 hooks. Almost forgot. I was about to end the video without showing the last bait. It also comes with a $15 off any pair of Waterland glasses. So guys, if you want a bag to come with monthly baits like these, or discount code, 6 cents is the way to go. 6 cents is stepping it up. But that's going to wrap up today's video. If you Crackalackers did like today's video, hit the subscribe button right here, 2 like buttons, and follow my social down below. That's all I got. That's all I came with this bag. It's all emptied out. 6 cents. March. Let's get it. Peace. Can't wait to use this bait. I said peace.